Hello, community members. Here is a COVID-19 update for Tuesday, April 14th. Please also be sure to check somervillema.gov/coronavirus for information and resources that are updated frequently. Here's the latest news. Internet Essential deadline extended. Income-eligible new customers now have until May 13 to sign up for Comcast's Internet Essentials plan and get the first 60 days for free. After the first 60 days, the plan currently costs $9.95 per month. You can find out more and apply at internetessentials.com or by calling 1-855-846-8376. The Somerville Public Schools are working to sign up student families for 6 months free via a school city subsidized version of the program. Multilingual teams from the schools are reaching out to families to help them access this service. Grants for business making PPE or personal protective equipment. The state's manufacturing emergency response team launched this week with $10.6 million in funding to help businesses shift their operations to produce personal protective equipment and other critical items. Business owners can find out more about eligibility, applying for funding, and the types of items being prioritized at masstech.org. That's masstech.org. Weekly business town halls. Each week, economic development staff host a virtual town hall meeting where business owners can talk about and get more information on business impacts, available city and state resources, and plans for future action. The next one is scheduled for Thursday, April 16th, and you can get more information and RSVP at eventbrite.com. That's eventbrite.com. Business town halls are also being held in Spanish. The date for this will soon be announced, and in Portuguese on Wednesday, April 15th at 5 p.m. See the full calendar at somervillema.gov/COVIDBizHelp. That's COVID, B-I-Z, help. Today's assistance tip. New way to apply for the $1,200 economic impact payment if you don't normally file a tax return. All U.S. citizens and resident aliens who have a Social Security number, who are not claimed as a dependent by another taxpayer, and who had an adjusted gross income under certain limits are eligible to receive the economic impact payment. For most individuals, that's $1,200. Payments are being dispersed through information provided by taxpayers on their most recent return. But if you did not file a tax return because of your income or because you were otherwise not required to, you can now enter your information on irs.gov/EIP. That's irs.gov/EIP to receive your payment. Later this week, you will also be able to check the status of your economic impact payment on that website. Today's public health tip. Face mask safety tips. The CDC now recommends that we wear masks or face coverings when we leave our homes, and last week, Mayor Joe Curtatone issued an advisory that all Somerville residents do so. It's important to follow safety guidelines around face coverings to protect yourself and others. Wearing a face covering is not a substitute for social distancing. Even with a mask on, staying 6 feet away from anyone who doesn't live with you is still the best way to avoid getting and spreading COVID-19. Wash your hands with warm soap and water for 20 seconds before putting on a face covering and after taking it off. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth when putting on and removing face coverings. You should wash your mask in a normal washing machine is fine, based on the frequency that you use it. The more often you wear your mask, the more frequently you should be washing it. Thank you.